Imagine a world where communication is seamless, where businesses and individuals can connect effortlessly across the globe. What if there was a technology that could bridge the gap between traditional landlines and the digital age? That's where Vonage comes in. Have you ever wondered what the word Vonage actually means? It's a question that has puzzled many. Let's delve into the world of Vonage and uncover its significance. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the broader context. In today's fast-paced world, communication is the cornerstone of success. Whether it's for personal or professional purposes, having reliable and efficient communication channels is essential. Traditional landline phones, while reliable, have limitations. They are often tied to a specific location, making it difficult to stay connected while on the move. Enter Vonage, a revolutionary communication platform that offers a more flexible and convenient solution. What is Vonage? Vonage is a cloud-based communication platform that provides a variety of services, including voice, video, and messaging. It allows users to make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and even conduct video conferences from anywhere in the world. One of the key advantages of Vonage is its flexibility. Unlike traditional landlines, Vonage numbers can be used on various devices, including smartphones, computers, and even tablets. This means you can stay connected wherever you go. How does Vonage work? Vonage operates on a cloud-based infrastructure, which means its services are delivered over the internet. When you make a call or send a message using Vonage, your data is transmitted through the internet to the recipient. This cloud-based approach offers several benefits, including enhanced reliability, scalability, and feature richness. Vonage can also integrate with other business applications, such as CRM systems and contact centers. Key features of Vonage. Vonage offers a wide range of features that cater to the needs of both individuals and businesses. Here are some of the key features. Voice calling. Make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. Video conferencing. Conduct high-quality video meetings with multiple participants. Messaging. Send and receive text and multimedia messages. Call forwarding. Forward calls to another number or device. Call recording. Record calls for future reference. Auto attendant. Create a professional greeting for your Vonage number. Call analytics. Track and analyze call data to improve your communication strategy. Benefits of using Vonage. Using Vonage offers several benefits, including flexibility. Use your Vonage number on any device, anywhere in the world. Scalability. Easily add or remove users and features as your needs change. Cost-effective. Save money on long-distance and international calls. Reliability. Enjoy high-quality voice and video calls. Integration. Connect Vonage with other business applications. Vonage for businesses. Vonage is particularly beneficial for businesses of all sizes. It can help improve communication efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Some of the ways businesses can use Vonage include unified communications, integrate voice, video, and messaging into a single platform. Contact centers provide excellent customer service with features like call routing and IVR. Remote work enable employees to work effectively from anywhere. Sales and marketing improve sales productivity and customer engagement. Vonage for individuals. Even if you're not a business owner, Vonage can still be a valuable tool. It offers a convenient and affordable way to stay connected with friends and family. Some of the ways individuals can use Vonage include international calling. Make affordable calls to friends and family overseas. Second number. Have a separate number for personal or business use. Virtual phone system. Set up a virtual phone system for your home office. Vonage is a powerful communication platform that offers a wide range of benefits for both individuals and businesses. Whether you need to stay connected while on the go, improve your business communication, or simply reduce your phone bill, Vonage has something to offer. So, the next time someone asks you, what is Vonage? You can confidently answer, it's a revolutionary communication platform that is changing the way we connect with the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.